What's up, you guys? It's your girl Sheena, and I wanted to show you these really yummy breakfast egg muffins that Jackson loves. We're going to start off with his favorite cheese, American sliced cheese, and he likes that cheese and everything. I'm not a juice fan of it, but this is about him. These are his favorite little things. I also have some onions and peppers chopped up and some spinach and kale. Taking some time, I needed to use the lunch meat. That's really what started this all. So I pulled out that pack of lunch meat. I think it's like turkey. And tried my best to use as much of it as I could without making it too meaty. So I will have to figure out something else. I don't know. Can you make turkey salad? Can I make it kind of like you would make like chicken salad? I don't know. I'm adding Parmesan cheese because I'm making some with spinach and Parmesan because I need some too. Also had some ricotta cheese in the fridge from a time we made some lasagna. So I'm going to toss that in there just to give it a thicker consistency. So that way it is a thick muffin instead of like spongy. Sometimes we make them and they're kind of... I don't know. I don't really like them. Jackson does, but I'm not a giant fan. So, yeah. I'm just taking some ricotta out. I don't think I'm going to use all of it, but whatever. All right, crack these eggs. About 10 eggs go into this. We need enough to make the 12 or 16 muffins. I think it's 16 muffins. We need enough of the eggs. Oops, not the shell. Get out of there. Also, quick tip since we're talking about eggs. If you get shell stuck in your eggs and you can't get it out, use the other part of the broken shell. The shell will stick to itself and make it really easy to get out. So that's your little tip from me about getting the eggshells out. We are going to preheat the oven to 350 and then also preheat the water. We're going to do like a double boiler kind of thing with this sheet pan and the muffin tin. And then I'm going to use that little space right there to pour the hot water in. Make sure you grease your muffin really good. There's not any oil or anything in the recipe, so you don't want it to stick to the sides. I decided to use some of these taco shells that we had as like a bottom layer for the egg muffins. I hadn't really done that before, but I love experimenting. So I put those in there. You don't have to. They really don't make a difference. And then added some seasoning. I just do like basic salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. And I think that was it. Garlic powder, salt, yummy. Look at my fancy cutting board. Adding a little milk to the eggs and some of the ricotta cheese. Like I said, just to give it a thicker consistency and like more dense instead of spongy, airy type of muffins. And I'm going to hit that up in my NutriBullet. This thing is such a champ. I got this thing probably 10 years ago. I think it was like a wedding gift, so I know that joint. So, all right, just pour an even amount of eggs into your well. Try not to spill it. Try not to get it too hot because they will fluff up and you still have to add toppings. So I'm adding that chopped turkey to, I think, all of these damn things because it was just so much chopped turkey. Added the rest of my veggies and then baked it for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to broil it because everything needs to be brown in this house. Yes. Look at that brown. It looks so yummy. I'm going to take some time and scoop these out. I don't want them to get too cool because then they're hard to get out and I don't want them to stick. So I'm just rimming around the edges just to make sure it's not sticking to the thing while they cool off. And then I'm going to cool them off the rest of the way on this wire rack. So gently, delicately take them out. Some of them kind of slipped because of the taco shell at the bottom, but they were still pretty good. They cooled off, packed up real nice, and was super duper yummy. And this should make enough for the rest of the week. We usually eat like 2 at a time. Jackson loves these things. They're super easy to make. And they're good for a fridge dump. You need to get rid of veggies or you need to get rid of stuff in your refrigerator. These make yummy meal prep. And I don't have to worry about breakfast for the next few days. Let me know what y'all think.